Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to keep your identity hidden as a group owner on Telegram web using the latest update. If you manage a Telegram group and want to post or moderate without revealing your name, this new feature is exactly what you need. Let's walk through the simple steps to enable the Remain Anonymous option on Telegram web using your PC. First, open Telegram web in your browser and log in to your account. Once you're in, head over to the group where you are the owner. This feature is only available to group owners and admins, so make sure you have the right permissions before you continue. Next, click on the name of your group at the top of the chat window. This will open the group's profile page, where you can see details about the group and its members. Look for the edit icon, usually represented by a pencil, and click on it to enter the group's settings. Now, find and select the Administrators section. This is where you manage all the admins and their permissions. In the list of administrators, click on your own name, the one marked as owner. This opens up your admin settings for the group. Here's the key step. Look for the option labeled Remain Anonymous. Toggle this feature on. When you enable it, your name will no longer appear to regular group members. Instead, any messages or actions you take in the group will show as coming from the group itself, not from you personally. This is perfect for maintaining your privacy, especially in large or public communities. Finally, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. From now on, you can interact in your group while keeping your identity hidden from regular members. Only other admins will know who you are, while everyone else will simply see the group name when you post or moderate. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can manage your Telegram group confidently and anonymously. This feature is a great way to protect your privacy while staying active in your community. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips on keeping your Telegram experience private and secure.